You're not just losing strength, you're losing something far more important. By the time most people reach 60, their body begins breaking down muscle faster than it can rebuild it. Not because they're lazy, not because they're weak, but because they're missing three essential nutrients that most diets completely overlook. These aren't trendy supplements or gimmicks. They're scientifically proven compounds your body needs to grow, repair, and protect muscle tissue every single day. Without them, your workouts won't work. Your energy will stay low, and your strength will slowly slip away until one day you won't be able to get it back. But here's the good news. If you give your body these three nutrients consistently, you can reverse that decline. Stick with me, because in this video, I'll show you the three most powerful nutrients to protect your muscles and extend your strength well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. And if you care about your independence, your recovery, and your energy, hit that subscribe button now. 1. Creatine, the forgotten nutrient that could restore your strength, balance, and confidence. You used to feel strong. You could walk farther, climb stairs faster, carry groceries without a second thought. But now, even simple tasks feel heavier. Your legs get tired, your energy fades, and your confidence slowly slips away. Here's what no one tells you. That's not just aging, it's depletion. And one of the first things your body loses as you get older is something called creatine. Most people think creatine is just for bodybuilders or young athletes. But the truth? It's one of the most important compounds for keeping adults over 50 strong, mobile, and sharp. What creatine actually does. Your muscles need a constant supply of quick energy to move, lift, and stabilize you. That energy is called ATP, and creatine is what recharges it. Without it, your muscles fatigue faster. Recovery slows, and strength begins to slip, sometimes without warning. But when you restore your creatine levels, something amazing happens. You regain power in your movements, your endurance increases, whether it's a walk, a workout, or climbing stairs. Muscle growth restarts, even in people over 60 or 70. Balance and coordination improve, reducing your risk of falls. Your brain benefits too, because creatine helps fuel mental energy, focus, and mood. Backed by real science, clinical studies show that older adults who supplement with creatine gain more strength, improve mobility, and build lean muscle, even without intense exercise. One study from the Journal of Gerontology found that just 12 weeks of creatine use led to measurable gains in grip strength and walking speed. And it's not just physical. Creatine is being studied for its ability to support cognitive function, reduce mental fatigue, and even delay neurodegeneration. How to add it to your routine. Take 3 to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate daily. No loading phase required. Mix it with water, coffee, or a smoothie. It's flavorless and dissolves easily. Stay hydrated as creatine helps pull water into your muscles for better strength and recovery. Use it consistently. You don't need to cycle on and off. Why this matters now more than ever. If you're over 50, your natural creatine stores are already declining. If you're losing strength, balance, or energy, creatine could be the missing link. Because strength isn't about lifting weights or hitting the gym. It's about your ability to move through life, freely, confidently, without fear. And the longer you wait, the harder it becomes to get that strength back. So don't let this opportunity slip by. You can feel stronger, sharper, and more stable again. And it starts with something as simple as a scoop of creatine. 2. Magnesium, the recovery mineral that helps you sleep, move, and heal you stretch. You walk, you try to eat right, but your muscles still feel tight, your legs cramp at night, and even after rest, you don't feel fully recovered. That's not just wear and tear. That's likely a magnesium deficiency, and it could be silently sabotaging your strength. Magnesium is one of the most essential minerals for muscle health, yet nearly half of adults over 50 are deficient. And most don't know it. It's not just about preventing cramps. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical processes in the body, including how your muscles contract, relax, and recover. What happens when you don't get enough magnesium? Your muscles tighten and cramp. Even at rest, recovery from exercise or injury slows dramatically. Your nerves fire erratically, affecting balance and coordination. You feel anxious, restless, or struggle with deep sleep. Your body stays stuck in a state of low-grade inflammation, making it harder to build or maintain muscle. Why magnesium is especially crucial. As you age, as we get older, our ability to absorb magnesium decreases, especially if you take certain medications like diuretics, blood pressure pills, or acid reducers. That means even if you're eating healthy, your muscles might still be starving for this mineral. And without it, no amount of protein or exercise will fully restore your strength because your muscles won't relax, rebuild, or regenerate properly. What magnesium can do for you: relieves muscle cramps and promotes smoother movement, improves deep, restorative sleep, allowing your body to heal overnight, lowers inflammation, reducing pain and stiffness in joints and muscles, enhances recovery from activity, injury, or strength training, supports your heart, brain, and metabolism, all deeply connected to muscle function. Where to get it? Natural sources, leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, almonds, black beans, and dark chocolate. Or take a magnesium glycinate or citrate supplement. These forms are gentle and absorb well recommended, 300 to 400 milligrams per day, preferably split between food and supplementation. Why this can't wait? If you're over 50 and experiencing nighttime cramps, muscle twitching, fatigue, or stress, magnesium could be the missing piece. And the longer your body goes without it, the harder it becomes to heal, move freely, and sleep soundly. Strength isn't just built in the gym. It's restored while you sleep, while you rest, while you recover. And magnesium is what allows that recovery to happen. 3. Leucine, the switch that tells your body it's time to build muscle. You eat protein, you stay active, but your body still feels weak, slow to recover, or like it's losing strength. That's because not all protein works the same, especially as you age. What your body really needs is the one nutrient that actually turns muscle building on. That nutrient is leucine, a powerful amino acid that activates muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to grow and repair muscle tissue. Without enough leucine, your body doesn't get the signal. You can eat protein, you can move your body, but your muscles stay in maintenance mode. And over time, that means steady, silent loss. The Lucine Problem. After 50, as we age, our muscles become more resistant to growth. This is called anabolic resistance. To overcome it, you need more leucine per meal, not just more protein. But here's the problem. Most people over 50 don't get enough leucine, even if they think they're eating healthy. Symptoms of low leucine can look like muscle loss, even when active, poor recovery from physical activity, general fatigue and weakness, decreased metabolism, and stubborn fat gain. What leucine can do for you: triggers muscle building even without intense workouts, helps you rebuild faster after activity or injury, supports fat loss while preserving lean muscle, protects against age-related muscle decline, sarcopenia, enhances the effects of protein-rich meals or shakes. How to get enough leucine. Prioritize leucine-rich foods like eggs, chicken breast, and turkey, lean beef, whey protein, especially isolate, salmon and tuna. Aim for 2.5 to 3 grams of leucine per meal to stimulate muscle growth. This usually means 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein per meal. Tip: use whey protein with added leucine if your appetite is lower or if you're not getting enough protein through meals. Why this matters so much right now. Muscle is your armor. It protects you from falls, keeps your metabolism alive, and fuels every movement you make. But after 50, your body won't build it unless you send the right signal. Leucine is that signal. Without it, strength fades, quietly day by day. With it, you activate the most powerful system your body has to rebuild itself. You don't need more years. You need stronger ones. And leucine could be the nutrient that helps you get them. You've just learned about 3 critical nutrients: creatine, magnesium, and leucine. They're not optional. They're not bonus supplements. They are essential building blocks your body needs to stay strong, mobile, and independent. If you're over 50, the clock is ticking. Muscle loss is already happening, quietly, consistently, and dangerously. But now you know how to fight back. You don't have to accept weakness, you don't have to settle for fatigue, and you're not too old to rebuild. Start today. Choose one of these nutrients, add it to your routine, and give your body the chance to recover, rebuild, and thrive again. Hit that subscribe button for more science-backed, life-changing health content that helps you stay strong, naturally, safely, and powerfully. Because the next video might just protect the next piece of your future.